Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Peaches. Today we are going to the newly launched H&M store. It's just opened right now and I can't wait to show you guys. It's finally in Mangalore, so that's a great thing. The festive collection is the very first thing you'll see when you enter the store. It had a lot of satin and embellished pieces in shades of pink, red and metallics. I'm going to walk you through each and every piece that caught my eye. It's a perfect staple for fall and festive this year, as red is quite trending this autumn. There were a lot of crop tops you can pair with trousers, but also works great as sari blouses. I love that beaded beige set. I don't know, it kind of gave me a 90s Bollywood vibe. I love how they have added this accessory stand in between clothing racks. It's so much easier to choose jewelry and bags in this format. If you haven't observed already, there were a lot of one-shoulder dresses in this collection. This orange one stood out to me. I love the rhinestone detailing on it, although I wish they had an alternate design or a bigger size in the same range for plus size women. Bows are the re-emerging trend of this year, and these oversized shirts are literally perfect. I like the black one more. They're priced at 2699 and had a 30% off. The store in Mangalore is literally massive. I honestly did not expect it to be this big, but I've tried my best to navigate it and sort the editing. Anyways, let's move on to this linen slash summer clothing. There were a lot of cotton skirts, shirts and dresses that were light and breezy. Also, I had worn my white cargo pants that day and it was crazy how much lighter and better the one by H&M was. Definitely try these if you want some good quality cargo pants. They are of perfect length too. This ranged from 32 to 44. That was the best I could find. Now I know linen clothing is perfect for humid Mangalorean weather. Although I love this shirt, especially in green, I wasn't convinced to pay 2 grand for this. But in all honesty, there were a lot of good deals as well. You just needed to check the material and size. If you are on a search for a really good evening dress, make sure you check this out. I really regret not trying this on. Moving on to office wear, there were a lot of tailored clothes like blouses, blazers and trousers as well. And I don't know how I should say this, but it kind of had like that old money aesthetic vibe, and a lot of clothes gave off that vibe. Now there's a particular earring by Bottega Veneta and this is the exact perfect dupe which is sold out everywhere, so I got this one. I guess that was kind of like the benefit of going on the very first day, because I could find a lot of stuff in my size and also a lot of sold out products. And these two options that I showed you right now are also really good, and that is me. These turtlenecks were also on a 40% off. The next section was kind of like a mix of layers and fabrics and autumnal shades. A lot of satin blouses, also this black satin cargo trousers, as you can see, it was really good. The satin material was good and lustrous for the price. H&M actually has the best leather collection, I would say, like fall leather collection, and this is a really great option if you're looking for something like this. This weave jacket was for 2299, which is a great price, but it had drop shoulders, which I'm not a big fan of. I'm more of a padded shoulder girl. Let me know which one you like. Moving on to the basic wardrobe section. The tops in this start from as low as 599. They are generally in neutral earthy colors, as you can see. Having these colors in your closet helps you create different looks easily and also experiment with your style. And they also last a really long time. Like, you need to check the material for sure. And also there were really great deals on this as well. I picked this off-white top, and the next section was kind of I don't know, how should I say this, like Parisian très chic vibes because of the color, and it sort of looked like an extension of the festive collection because all the pieces were statement. Look at this gorgeous belted blazer. Next to that was a whole wall of bags and accessories, kind of complementing the Parisian section, as I said. Look at this gorgeous bag. Like, how stunning is this? And also a bow to go with, blazers, or maybe like some particular sets that I have in mind, but I cannot remember the name. They also had like laptop bags and stuff, but it was only in one size. I guess it was like 13-inch, I'm not sure. And yeah, a lot of jewelry, accessories, and these sequin bags, okay, these clutches were for 2000. Like, I do not know why, because the silver one was good, but not the black one for sure. And these edgy caps as well. Okay, the first thing that I ever got from H&M was a belt in 2016, if I'm not wrong, and to this day it is in perfect condition. So you can try getting some belts, because they are of really good quality. And some gothic romance jewelry, I guess this is inspired by Wednesday. And yeah, they do have really good tote bags as well. This was the mesh top I had used in one of the fall outfit, and I didn't know it was in silver too. A couple of y'all had asked me where I had got it from, so you'll know now. I love layering, like I absolutely do, but the saddest part is that I never get to do that. And best believe, if I was in a colder country or city, for sure I would own so many jackets, and especially these teddy jackets that went viral last year. And there was a lot of knitwear from 999, and these crop jumpers were cute in spring colors too, but I'm not the biggest fan of the quality of knitwear from H&M. But if I like some particular color, or if I find something very trendy and something cute in general, I would pick it up. And then I spotted this really cute puffer gilet, like in baby pink. Like, how cute is this? But if I wore this in Mangalorean, weather, people would call me crazy. Coming to the loungewear and lingerie section, they had really great options here. All sorts of bras, thongs, and even bodysuits in lace and satin. The prices ranged from $699 to $3,000. And make sure you check these 2 packs and 3 packs for great deals. And also, their everyday lingerie is great. This push-up bra in particular had adjustable straps, and it wasn't flimsy at all. Also saw a couple of really good satin sleepwear options, this night slip and the stunning red cami set. I guess both of these were for 2500 to 2600, I'm not sure. Then in loungewear, it was the usual sweatpants, cropped sweatshirts, hoodies in neutral and muted colors. They also had options like a zip top sweatshirt in a few colors and rip tops like these. Few more shelves of bags and accessories, but these were from the last season, so I didn't want to go in detail as I've recorded some of these in my Bangalore spring vlog. Now I know it's fall, but the t-shirts were honestly so disappointing. Because of our weather here, I expected a wider range in t-shirts, but it's fine, not a big deal as such. Now these two tops I'm going to show y'all gave such cottage slash ferico vibes. Literally very pretty, as you can see. I hope you can see the prices as well. Sizing went up to XL in most tops, in case you are wondering about it. Okay, this cherry red wine color has literally blown up. I wanted to get something in this color, but I didn't like the design of this bag. Maybe a glossier one would have been better. A lot of Wednesday inspired gothic clothing. I love this dress, but I wish they had it in my size, like plus size too. In a similar manner, they had this top with like lace frills. Because it was sheer, I didn't go to try it. I decided it was enough and went ahead to try all of the items that I had picked. I had to wait for 25 minutes because there was a really long queue. But luckily, at the end, I got the biggest trial room, which was, really good. And it had a lot of lights and mirror options too, a lot of space as well. These were the options I picked. First up, I tried this Henley top in cream in the size L, and I actually got this home. The next one I tried is this dark green blazer in L again, but I kind of like the color on me, but not how it fit. Especially, it was tight around the shoulder, so I had to drop it. The next thing I got is this oversized flannel shirt. I sized down and got it in M. And the very last thing I tried on is this gorgeous belted blazer. But I guess I had to size it down, but I wasn't ready to wait for another 25 minutes. I thought it would be a good idea to show you all other areas as well. Specifically in the men's section, it was all their fall collection that was on display, if I'm not wrong. Mostly consisted of, browns and plaid items, shirts. They had around the year stuff as well, don't get me wrong, like hoodies, t shirts, sweatshirts, stuff like that too. They also have the cutest and the most comfiest onesies. As you can see, these are so pretty and also adorable. It's, I guess, for newborn babies to a few months, and they are always on these two-pack offers, so make sure you check them out. Then they also had preteen and teen clothing. As you can see, all these trendy cargos and a lot of tie-dye t-shirts and sweatshirt options. What impressed me though is the girls collection. Like, it had so many Y2K options and like really trendy stuff that would be perfect for teenagers. I have shown a couple of options that like stood out, like this Wednesday jumper and this printed denim jeans. Also, this preppy outfit. Look how perfect it would be for schools and all. They also had a lot of bag options, as you can see. And the coolest part was this play area for kids if they get bored. And a ton of festive frocks and gowns for girlies with a lot of princess like accessories, I would say. As usual, near the billing counter, they had some cool stuff too, like accessories and all. These two bags were on 50% off. I had actually picked them up to buy, but I didn't have enough cash on me and I had to pay through UPI, but there was some network issue. So make sure you carry some cash or card. That was it for today's video. I hope you found this useful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share it with as many people as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.